He whispers in the shadow glades, veins of fire trace the sand, his secrets slipping through my hand. A serpent coils in the